Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we'll continue working on this project and it'll be the short video because today we'll create our last part, we'll create footer, and today we'll finish working on desktop version, and next video we'll start to create responsive for mobile version. Let's get started. Okay, first let's close our reviews content and let's create new tag. Now we need footer. Create this tag and also add class footer. Okay, let's look at our Figma layout. Like you see, first we have 4 links. Let's create, we can again using list tag and create lead and also create link. Okay, let's copy text and let's add some class. We can add footer menu. Okay, and also add href attribute and add slash because now we don't know link. Okay, and double our link 4 times and copy all this text. Okay, next we need to create contact, create a new div, and we can use list tag again, but now we'll be using div. I think it will be more fast. Copy link and change and add class, add socials, and also we need to copy these SVG icons. Let's close. Okay, and create second and third links. Copy all icons and close these tags. Okay, and next we need to create copy text. Create new paragraph and first we need to create copy. Okay, and next we need to copy this text. Okay, let's look at our footer. Our footer is work, but we also need to add container. Create new element and add class container. Okay, let's put this code and put here. Okay, now let's close social links and let's add style for our footer. First copy footer menu and add display flags and justify content space between. Okay, and also we need to stylish our links inside our menu. Turn on developer mode. Okay, close this window and copy text properties. Okay, our text is ready, but also need to create space between our links and our socials using our margin bottom 24 pixel. Okay, but we need to use it here. Okay, now it's work, and next we need to create styles for our contacts, our socials. Copy this class and add. We can add display flags again and justify content center because our icons must be in the center, and add column gap 20 pixels. Okay, let's look. It looks nice, and next we need also create margin. Okay, create our margin, and in the end we need to add stuff for our copy. Add class, footer, copy this class and add styles. First create style for our text, and next we need to create margin bottom. Create margin bottom. Okay, now our footer is ready, but we also need to add hover effects for our link and for our social icons. Create hover, and will be change color. Okay, let's try to do our color more dark. Okay, I think it's enough, and let's add animation, add transition. Okay, I think now it looks more attractive, and also let's hover for our social links, for our social icons, using our social class. And now we need to use SVG patch. Okay, and let's try to change fill. Okay, it's work, and also let's add transition. Copy this transition and delete fill. Okay, like you see, it's work. And next let's also create header, create hover for our buttons and header links. Okay, let's get started. Like you see, all our buttons have the same color, and we can create global hover for all button. Will be combine to property and add here button hover, and first we need to add background color, and also we'll be using important. Let's make our button more dark when people hover, and add important. Okay, some our button create using link tag, and it didn't help. Okay, copy this background and create style for all other button. Create hover, but now we can delete important. And also let's find our last button. Okay, and copy this tag, add hover, and copy the same. Okay, and let's add the same for this button. Okay, now it's work, and also let's add transition for all these buttons. Create transition. Okay, now our background change more slowly. And next we need to create hover for our header links. Here's our menu link, and let's create some header, some hover, using hover, and will be change color our link. Okay, let's look at the window. Let's try to copy this color. Okay, I think it looks nice, and also let's copy transition. Okay, our hovers are also ready, and if you liked this video, please subscribe to the channel, and in the next video we'll continue work on this project, but we'll start work on mobile version.